power. Well, you wanna have the #1 first run. Anyone, you're crazy too. Oh, yeah. You wanna know better than that. The more that you buy, the less you get back. You could say it's a case of possession obsession. Just a case of possession obsession. Brings a case of possession.
Now I hear you say,
gimme, gimme,
gimme, gimme, gimme,
gimme, gimme.
hey. Now the compulsion to count the percentage of time spent between two lovers can't turn it out into a crime. Oh, and all the good times suffer. Oh, you know it's only jealousy, but you can't help but be haunted by your passion.